Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. We play how to play games with friends. So here I'll be teaching you how to play games with your friends in WePlay. So to play games with your friends in WePlay. So there's two ways of doing this. You click on the game on the start right here. For example, right here, I try University, and then we're gonna create our party, create our room right here. Okay, it's a little bit lagging, but yeah, you can just create our room right here. There you go. And you can invite your friends, but now I'm gonna invite my girlfriend. We're gonna play this game right here. So we're gonna wait for her to accept it. Here. Oh, there we go. Now she's here. Right now we're just sit down as well. There you go. Now we're gonna play Reversi. Let's see. Now it's loading. So now we're gonna play. I don't know how to play this, so I click that, and I don't understand this game, so we're just click on that right there. So we're gonna click on that there. I think we're winning or something. Not really sure of how to play this game. Well, I think we're winning because we have a lot of whites right now. So yeah, there you go. Oh, I think we're gonna win, guys. So yeah. Oh, this is a fun game. I suggest you guys try it out. Just very fun game. Let's see. Before we're not gonna leave. We're not gonna until we win this game. Crap. There you go. Got ourselves some of them. Okay. Oh, okay. It's a little bit tricky. Oh wow! Oh wow! How the tables up is turning right now, guys. Nope. We're not gonna lose this. Oh my gosh. I don't know. There you go. Yes, we're winning. We're winning. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. Okay, we're getting the dubs here. Okay, we're getting the dubs. We're getting the dubs. We're getting them dubs. Oh, we're getting them dubs. Also, we got 31. She got 14. Okay, we're gonna win this. Come on. Gosh. Holy smokes. No. Oh no, she's winning. Okay, we're winning. Okay, she got 22. Okay, we got 33. Oh my gosh, so we're gonna get this one right there. Okay, it's battle snake on neck. Oh, she got 34, we got 25. Oh, it's a 30-30, it's a tie. Oh my gosh. Like this one right there. Oh, 29. Oh, last one. Oh, we won! We almost lost. We almost lost that game. So there you go, guys. That's how you do it. Okay, I'm gonna leave the room. So we're just gonna click on that. Then to join to make another what do you call this? To make another how to play with your friends, just click on the voice room and then choose the game right here, and choose the game that you want. Let's say for example this one right here, reverse. Click on confirm. Then you can invite your friends. But for me, I'm gonna invite my girlfriend, and right here, oopsie, sorry, right there. Then click right here, and click on invite. Then there you go. As you can see, I already invited her. So yeah, it's the same thing as earlier, but yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can leave in the comment section below. We'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.